Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me, the show where I microwave the same stuff anyone else can. Well, except for the CO2 cartridges, the ping pong balls, the Works bomb, the silly string can, the Axe cannon cooking oil, the lighter. Okay, never mind that. Anyway, welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to be fulfilling someone's special request, a moon pie. I was asked a long time ago to microwave a moon pie, but I couldn't find one. So I had to put it off. Well, here it is. I am finally microwaving a moon pie for you. It's one beat up looking moon pie, but it doesn't really matter, does it? Right, there's moon pie going into the microwave, and how long should I cook it for? I'm thinking maybe a minute 50 seconds. It's random enough, it just might be something worthwhile. Now to turn off the lights for the dramatic effect. Right, that's that. Time to see what I created. Okay, inside of this GE microwave, which I named Jennie, I nuked a moon pie for almost 2 minutes. And it's a little bit peculiar, the result. I was expecting the marshmallow to expand more and just kind of make this really high tower sort of thing. But the marshmallow just fluffed up a little and everything else just burnt. Now, is this safe to microwave? I don't see why not, but would you want to do it? Well, I guess if you want some instant s'mores, it's a good idea.